risk. God said, if you're not willing to risk, you cannot grow. And if you cannot grow, you cannot become your best. And if you cannot become your best, you can't be happy.
From Africa to the world, a new light done they unfold. AFRIMERGE they break the mold, touching lives with heart of gold. The invention for the people, opportunities be equal. Every dream where they small, then they make them big and regal. They no just talk it up, then they walk you up, building futures brick by brick, helping destinies unlock. We dey rise, we dey shine. AFRIMERGE no dey decline. From the root to the sky, every heart we testify. Champions of the light. Oh yes, we dey unite. Ideas spark like morning sun. Every battle them they won. Hands they strong, heads they sharp, pushing limits, closing gaps. Now we be the seeds where grow through the drought and through the flow. AFRIMERGE they light the way, guiding dreams to brighter days. They no just they talk it up, then they walk the walk, building futures brick by brick, helping destinies unlock. We dey rise, we dey shine. AFRIMERGE no dey decline. From the root to the sky, every heart they testify. Aye, champions of the light. Aye, oh yes, we dey unite.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Edwin. I am the founder and the CEO of AFRIMERGE Limited. For you to know, AFRIMERGE Limited is a registered Pan-African technology company. We're involved in innovations, in exhibitions, and also technology training. Thank you very much. If you have any question and for sponsorship and partnership, you can reach out to us. Thank you and